Wait for kids teaching kids, learning all new stuff. Wait for bam. Hey guys, my name is Lane at Lane's for Kids Teaching Kids World TV on YouTube. Today we're gonna be building treehouse, so come along with the adventure, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. First thing is to build a foundation. Make sure it's strong. It holds all the weight. Next, install the floor. Don't forget to leave an entrance hole. We went with a trapdoor.
Wait, what's gonna happen?
We're climbing up our treehouse.
Oh yeah!
Oh, come on, Calvin. Fine. Whatever. Make sure you have fun while building with friends. Then, build your walls. We recommend building the walls underground, then installing in the treehouse. Next, Dad started on our roof while I measured and sanded the siding. My dad is no engineer, so this roof didn't cut it. We decided to attach the siding and come back to the roof when finished. We scrapped the original roof and designed an easier roof. Our new roof needed floor supports, so we built them. Next came installing the roof. First, we put the OSB layer on the roof. Then we did the top layers to shingles. Once the treehouse is done, we needed to add the finishing details. We got a rope ladder so we could get in and installed it with anchors and eye bolts. Eye bolts could be found at your local hardware store. Links for ground anchors and rope ladders in the description below. Then we installed the lights to the treehouse so we can play at night. Add your own finishing touches. We went with walkie-talkies, chairs, and a Bigfoot flag.
Anyway, so that's how you put a trapdoor. Anyways, and then there's and then you can close your trapdoor softly. Ow! And then here, that's kind of funny. You might laugh. Thanks for watching, guys. Please smash that like, subscribe, smash that bell so it can ring. Have a comment down below. Share it with your friends so that they can like it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And also stay curious and have fun.